Всем привет, друзья! Сегодня готовим обед для семьи, для любимых людей с любовью и своей энергией. Готовим чечевичный суп и тушеное мясо с луком. Очень вкусно. А также предлагаю вам отвлечься и послушать прекрасную песню. Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Rain drifting on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. River running free, you know how I feel. Blossom on a tree, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. Dragonfly all out in the sun, you know what I mean, then you know. Butterflies all on having fun, you know what I mean. Sleep in peace when the day's down. In this old world is a new world, is a bold world for me. Stars when you shine, you know how I feel. Stand of the pine, you know how I feel. Your freedom is my life, and you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. Oh,